Hi, I'm making a surprise egg video, and then I will open the first egg, and it is Bakugan, and then it opens into him. Then next egg, then it's another Bakugan, and I'm now opening this Bakugan. Then, as you can see, this is the Bakugan. Now let's look at the third egg. Wow, what is this Bakugan? Now let's drop, and whoa, a dragon. What is the sum of them that you need to open these two parts? Whoa, it's cool. Then now, let's now look at the next egg. And it's another dragon. And then I'll show you that this guy has feet. See, he has feet. Then, now let's go to the next surprise egg. And then let's now do the surprise egg. Waiting. Then it's this guy. How cool is that? And then now let's look at the next surprise egg. Then now let's drop. Then it's another type of these guys. Another type. And now let's go open the next surprise egg. Drop. Then hatch. Ooh. As you can see, it's just like this guy. And now let's look at the next surprise egg. And then as you can see, it's like this. If you open it, it should be like this. Then now let's look at the next surprise egg. Then now open the surprise egg. Then as you can see, I got the Bakugan. Then now let's open it. Then the Bakugan goes straight away, opens up. Then this is how the Bakugan looks like. Then move on straight away to the next surprise egg. Then now let's open the next surprise egg. Then whoa, it's firepower. Then next surprise egg. And then as you can see, it's like the other one. I did the surprise egg. Then now last two more surprise eggs. Then the giant ones. Then as you can see, this just opened a little bit, and then I am now opening the last surprise egg. Then drop, then open. And as you can see, it's like this. And I am a large Bakugan fan. That's why I got so much Bakugan. Then this is the last small egg Bakugan. Now let's move on to the last 5 giant egg Bakugans. Now let's open the first one. And this is so different. This is a rolling one. You need to roll it so it will open. Then it's done. Then let's open the next one. Whoa, what's this? Boom! It's a motorcycle. And then I am now going to show you that one of them can be more into one. Then he is riding the motorcycle. And it can carry the motorcycle with and The motorcycle can fly with a magnet. Oh yeah, it can carry some weight. Woohoo! Then let's now go to the next surprise egg. Giant one. Oh, this might be exciting. Whoa! And then now let's now go and put this guy here. Whoa! I just put the magnet. Then I put the character. That's right. Just lift up. And then, whoa! It's so big. Then it destroys everything with a pinch. Pinch, 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 pinch. Then everybody's destroyed. Wow! This is the biggest so far. And then now let's now go and open the next one. Then this is one of them. But now let's now take off him. Then put him. Then whoa! A while ago this thingy spinned. That was cool. Then now let's now get and open the next egg. Let's now open the surprise egg. And as you can see, this is only a mountain. Then put it there. Whoa, it's a volcano. Then the volcano sprays every lava to every Bakugan. Then they're all dead because of the lava. And it's strong because it's a volcano. It sprays lava everywhere. Then please give us suggestions to what surprise eggs we should do next, and then put it at the comments. Bye bye. Please subscribe and like this video. Then make your volcano erupt your condensation. Please give us suggestions to what surprise eggs we should do next, and then put it at the comments. Subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.